Hi bass players, so today we're going to talk about how to play perpetual motion. When you first look at perpetual motion, it's pretty intimidating. There's lots of eighth notes. It says allegro at the top, which means fast. But there's really no need to fear if you break it down and do what I call chunking when you play to practice. It'll make it a lot easier. It won't seem like you're making a huge amount of progress, but you'll be surprised at how fast you will make progress. It's always easier to play pizzicato than with our bow, so we're going to start off by playing pizzicato for perpetual motion. I'm going to take the first four notes, which are D, E, F, F, and just make sure I can play those through. Oops. I would start at a slow tempo. What I just played there I think was a little bit too fast. So the perpetual motion eventually is going to be faster. Let's start about right here. Da, 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 da. Until we can get that down. Alright? And keep on working on that. Once you think you have that down pretty well, you can go to add the next note, which is E. Once you got that down pretty well, add the next note, etc., etc. Okay, so now let's say you're getting tired of playing that, okay? Just then stop playing it. Go on to play something else, okay? Maybe go to the second measure. I had to remember it, sorry. So the second measure starts on F sharp. Okay, so we have F sharp, G, A, F sharp. If you use your bridge, watch my hand, A. Now when I go to A to F sharp, it makes it a little bit easier because when I'm pressing down, I'm actually pressing down two strings at once right now. You don't have to press down two strings at once, but you can get your fourth finger starting to move over to the F sharp. That makes that little passage easier. Okay, so you play that again until you can get it. Maybe you can't get it with those playing all four notes at once. That's okay, just play two. There you go. Okay, so there's two. Now if you got that, maybe play three until you got that, and then go on to the next one. Practicing should never be hard. It should always practice easy. Okay, so that's very important to remember. Third line is where I'm going to go now, just because I'm skipping around. You don't have to skip around and do the same lines I do, but do something like this. So skip around, just practice playing the first three notes. There's a shift there. That one's tough. So you go from D, C sharp to B. I would just play those three notes a few times so you get used to that movement. Okay? So after you play that, D, C, B, B, you have another shift down to C, which you're going to play with your fourth finger. So you're going to play that like this. 4, 1, first finger, A, first finger. So there's two shifts in there. Challenging stuff, but you can get it if you keep practicing this slowly. If I were to make a suggestion for you as a bass player, I would start on the third line, since that's the hardest one. Alright? Good luck, guys. Practice like I said, and you'll get it before you know it.